First mover of the day, and that is JK Lakshmi Cement. Let's pull up the price chart for you and show you how it's currently panning out in trade. Near about 6.5% up move is what the stock has seen. Mr. Shailin Choksi, who's the whole-time director at JK Lakshmi Cements, he joins us. Mr. Choksi, thanks for joining us. It's almost been a 38% appreciation that you've seen in terms of your dispatches for this month. What's the average realization, and how much by way of production have you achieved in the month of January?
January we achieved a production of 5.19 lakh tons and a dispatch of about 5.06. These figures have been very satisfying and gives us that confidence that we would be able to achieve in this quarter a production and dispatch of close to 14 lakh tons. In fact, in last 2 quarters, we suffered on account of wagon availability, but the January wagon availability and what we see in February and March, I would expect that we would be able to achieve these figures that we have targeted for ourselves. And cumulatively, we should therefore cross 4.5 million ton in the year, which would correspond to something like 14% growth over last year.
What about the sequential growth then in your realizations? How have they been this time around?
You see, in last quarter, we did something like 11.5 lakh tons, which was way below what we would have actually liked it to happen. And this quarter, we are expecting that we would be anywhere close to 13.5 to 14 lakh tons, depending on the wagon availability. So I think sequentially we'll be growing close to 18%, I would say.
Right, Mr. Choksi. Up until December, we have seen the kind of price dips across the country, in particular in the southern region of the country. But ever since then, we've seen prices stabilizing and really come back to the fore. What are you expecting in front of the pricing, and what sort of pricing do you expect till the budget? Do you think there's another round of hikes that we can expect?
I think looking at this price increase which has taken place, it is in the backdrop of a price fall which took place in November and December. So I think there was a correction in the month of January, about 5 to 7 rupees a bag in different markets, say in Gujarat, Maharashtra and some of the markets of North. But there are still markets of North like Haryana, Western UP and Punjab, which have not seen a correction, and I would expect that correction to take place now, anytime. I think the demand is good. The January numbers have been good, and I would expect the whole quarter to remain good. So the reasons which were the responsible for fall in price in the previous quarter, that is the fall in the demand, with the increase in the demand, I would expect the correction to take place.
And let's just talk about your capacity then. Where does your current capacity stand, and what kind of additions do you expect till Q4?
I would not expect any major change in the capacity as such. Our capacity today is 4.8 million tons, and we are operating at 100% or more than that. So the capacity would not change, but then we have a projection hand of 350 crores which are in different stages of progress. We are adding about 5 lakh ton of another split location plant in Haryana, which we expect to complete by January next year. Then we have some 30 megawatt power projects coming up by March 11, including the 12 megawatt waste heat recovery power project. These two will substantially bring down our power cost. Then in next quarter, we expect, by end of the next quarter, we expect the 21 megawatt power arrangement that we have made with a private captive power, that to materialize. And then of course we have started work on our greenfield site project of 2.8 million ton, which will come somewhere in October 2012.
All right, Mr. Choksi, we'll leave it at that. That is the management really talking about the strong dispatches they've seen this time around, 6.5% up in last count. But to another buzz